Welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how to fix Valorant Can't Open on Windows 11. First, let's right-click the Valorant app on your desktop. Select Properties on the option. On this prompt, select Compatibility. On the Compatibility Mode section, check this box over here beside this Run this program and Compatibility Mode. And on the Settings section below, check the Run as Administrator. Click on Apply once done, and OK to save your changes. Next, make sure that you clear Riot or Valorant that is running on your device. To do that, you can search Task Manager on your Windows search bar below, or just use the shortcut key, hold Ctrl, Alt, and Delete. And now click Task Manager, scroll down, and find Riot or Valorant. If you find Valorant over here, just right-click and select End Task. As you can see, Valorant is not running on the background, so you can see it here. Lastly, if this method doesn't work, I suggest you reinstall the app and make sure to restart your computer once done reinstalling. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!